sawdust, sweat, and gears. Get down and dirty with the most powerful forestry equipment on Earth. This isn't for the faint of heart. Are you ready to enter the world of extreme logging? Seven cords of firewood. In 1 hour? You heard that right. The Multitech 2040 is a game changer. Imagine the possibilities. It features a comfortable operator's cab, fully electric joysticks for effortless operation, and a massive 60-inch circular saw that handles any log you throw at it. Safety, covered with a hydraulic saw brake, and the precision, laser-measured cuts, guaranteeing perfect results every time. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in firewood processing. Hey folks, how many of you have spent hours splitting firewood by hand? I know the feeling. But what if I told you there's a better way? Meet the Halverson HWP 140. This machine is a beast. With its 6-way splitter, it tackles 8-foot logs in under a minute. That's right, under a minute. And the best part? It attaches to your skid steer, making setup a breeze. Who's ready to say goodbye to backbreaking work? One of the biggest challenges in log processing is balancing bark removal with preserving wood quality. The HMC Rosser head addresses this head-on. Its innovative design minimizes fiber damage while maximizing bark removal, effectively solving a key industry challenge. This translates directly to increased efficiency and profitability for your operations.
Right where I'm standing, if I can. Oh yeah, there's a
huge snag
right there. Huge.
Picture this, a 5-foot hemlock riddled with rot, towering overhead. It's a recipe for disaster, right? But what happened next was incredible.
Oh, yeah.
This guy, with years of experience, used all sorts of tricks to bring it down safely. It was like watching a master craftsman at work. I was on the edge of my seat the whole time, wondering how he'd do it. And then, boom, down it came, perfectly controlled. What a story. All right, folks, let's get down to brass tacks on tree work. It's risky business. You've got a powerful saw to handle, unpredictable situations, and the constant pull of gravity.
Well, I was kind of right.
One miscalculation, and you're in a world of hurt. Let's delve into the Hypro 755HB. This Swedish-engineered harvester boasts a robust design, perfectly suited for demanding forestry operations. Its integration with the Hypro FG45 clamp enables precise felling of trees up to 45 centimeters in diameter. The system's intelligent design minimizes ground disturbance, crucial for maintaining a healthy forest floor. The hydraulic system is highly efficient, optimizing fuel consumption and reducing operational costs. For professionals seeking peak performance and environmental responsibility, the Hypro 755HB is a compelling solution.
Demonstrate it for us.
Wow! I just saw this Hartnett petrol log saw in action, and I'm blown away. It's got a powerful 13 horsepower engine and a huge 700mm blade that just slices through logs like butter. The best part? It's incredibly safe. The blade's fully enclosed, so you don't have to worry about kickback like with a chainsaw. Who knew cutting firewood could be this easy? Alright folks, let's talk serious machinery. We're looking at the Petzolato PTH 1000/1000M, a beast of a wood chipper. Powered by a Scania DC16 engine, boasting a whopping 656 horsepower, this machine means business. We're talking a 1000mm drum diameter and width, a 2200mm long feeding chain, and a hopper width of 2070mm. This setup is designed for high-volume processing, handling even the most demanding jobs with ease. If you need efficiency and raw power, the PTH 1000/1000M is the answer. Hey there, firewood fans! Let me introduce you to the Hockey Pilka Easy 38 HD, a real game changer. This bad boy can handle logs up to 15 inches in diameter. Can you believe that? It's got a powerful hydraulic system, a conveyor belt, and a splitting system that's smarter than your average machine. And safety? They've got you covered with top-of-the-line shielding. So, who's ready to upgrade their firewood game? Now, picture this. You're in the middle of a logging operation, and those massive logs are just staring back at you. Intimidating, isn't it? But with the NOE 170-4R, you'll be grabbing those logs like a pro. Who here wants to make their logging work easier and more efficient? This machine is your answer. It's powerful, it's precise, and it's ready to transform your workflow. Let's make those logging challenges a thing of the past together. Have you ever seen anything like that Cat 990 log unloader? It's like a giant mechanical beast, effortlessly moving those massive logs. It makes you wonder, how do they design something so powerful? These cars are writing checks their engines can't cash. These cars are writing checks their engines can't cash.
Oh my god!
Stop struggling with that chainsaw. Get the Hartnett Petrol Log Saw. 13 HP engine, total safety, effortless cutting. It supports the log, you just guide it through. Take it anywhere with its built-in tow bar. Cut like a pro. $1,455 US. Game changer. Get yours today. You're probably looking at this and thinking, heck yeah, this is it. And guess what? You're spot on. This wood splitter is a total game changer. You can kiss that back-breaking axe goodbye and still have plenty of firewood. No more slaving away. Machine that transforms logs into neat firewood stacks with just a few simple steps. The Hockey Pilka 2x2. Auto is just that. It's like a lumberjack's dream come true. Picture this. A powerful saw slices through logs, then a splitter magically divides them into perfect firewood pieces. It's a fascinating process to witness, and the machine's ability to adjust to different wood types is incredible. Let's put yourselves in the driver's seat for a minute. Can you feel that? The rumbling of the engine, the sheer weight of the cargo behind you? Could you handle it? I mean, We're talking about navigating narrow, often muddy roads with what are essentially skyscrapers on wheels. It is no walk in the park. The skill involved is just mind-blowing, right? Let's give these drivers some serious respect. Am I right in thinking this person is seriously skilled? But can we just pause and ask, why isn't that winch being put to work? It feels like watching someone run a marathon with their shoelaces tied together. What do you all think? Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Imagine splitting 300 cubic meters of beechwood every year. That's what our friend here was doing, year after year. He got tired of the back-breaking work and said, there's gotta be a better way. He got tinkering, he got innovating, and guess what? He built this incredible log splitter. Now the job is easier, faster, and he's got more time to do what he likes most. This machine is a symbol of his tenacity. Isn't that inspiring? You won't believe what this machine can do. The Easton-made 48C is a wood processing powerhouse. It's got a massive saw, a powerful engine, and a cab so comfy you'll want to live in it. But here's the kicker. It handles logs up to 30 feet long. That's incredible. Plus, it's got automatic splitting and a super easy joystick control. Starting around $175,000, you can make it truly yours. Prepare to be amazed. Ever wrestled with a giant birch log? It's like fighting a stubborn giant. But imagine this, a home-built wood splitter ready to tame those beasts. It's got this cool double pump system and an electric valve package. Think automatic shifting between high and low gear. We're talking about 3 tons of force for the easier stuff, and a monstrous 9 tons for those truly massive logs. And get this, you control the size of the wood. It's like having a custom wood splitting workshop in your backyard. All right, folks, let's talk forestry efficiency. The Malwa 560C Combi isn't just another machine, it's a game changer. This stand-operative dual machine seamlessly transitions between harvester and forwarder. We're talking about a 2.8-liter CAT engine meeting Euro 5/Stage 5 standards, powering a harvester head with a 42-centimeter cutting diameter. But here's the kicker, removable counterweights. This means it performs just as well as dedicated harvesters, no compromise. Observe it tackling bark beetle-infested trees in Eksjö, Sweden. This isn't just about felling trees, it's about optimizing your entire operation. You won't believe the size of the logs this equipment can handle. Made in Georgia, this specialized system is designed for large US retailers who need serious firewood production power. This system handles hardwood logs from 3.94 inches to a massive 27.56 inches in diameter and lengths up to nearly 70 feet. The 5 integrated units, from log loading and precision sectioning to automated splitting and cleaning, ensure a seamless industrial-grade process. Okay, so get this. Chainsaws screaming, right? Dead quiet 1 second, then bam! This smell hits you. Oil and that fresh, piney scent all mixed up. You can practically hear the wood fibers snapping as the saw eats through this monster tree. It's kind of raw, you know? This huge badass tree that looked like it'd live forever, it's going down. Heads up! If you're out there felling a tree and notice something weird, hightail it to safety. Felling trees can get real hairy real fast. Imagine this. You place your log, everything's lined up perfectly in a blink of an eye, you give the pedal a little nudge with your foot, and whoosh, clean split. It's almost magical. I was skeptical at first, but seeing it in action, it's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance between man and machine. It's not just splitting wood, it's an experience. This machine will revolutionize the way you work. Meet the Georgia Brush, a compact powerhouse that will leave you speechless. It chews through trees like a beast and makes mulching effortless. If land management is your game, this is the tool you can't afford to miss. Looks like someone didn't realize how powerful trees can be.
Oh my god.
Look at this. Minimalist design, maximum efficiency, powerful. It's genius, pure and simple. Best wood splitter I've seen. Period. Imagine this, a round log, rustic and untouched. Our journey begins here, but have you ever wondered how it becomes part of your home or a beloved piece of furniture? It's all thanks to the process of cutting round timber. In this adventure, special machines like band saws or circular saws slice the log into various shapes and sizes. It's fascinating. See that huge Nissan? Now, guess who's driving it? A Japanese girl, and she's no taller than 5 feet. How crazy is that? The sight of a small girl handling a massive monster like that. Don't you agree it's inspiring? No way, no how. I wouldn't do that for any amount of money. More power to those who are up for it, though. This Hartnett petrol log saw is a game changer. We're talking about a robust 13 horsepower engine coupled with a 700mm blade. Now, to the untrained eye, this might seem like any other saw. However, safety is paramount here. The blade is completely encased, drastically reducing the risk of accidents. It's a testament to how engineering can marry power with safety. This level of efficiency and safety is rarely seen. Engineered for maximum output and unrivaled durability, the AX19 brush chipper represents a significant advancement in land management equipment. Featuring a powerful 173 horsepower, 123 kilowatts, John Deere diesel engine, this robust machine is capable of handling high-volume throughput in large-scale land-clearing operations. Whether mechanically or hand-fed, its versatility also makes it an ideal solution for more localized rural job sites. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Ah, porra! Porra! Olha!
This guy? He is probably the reason why Lady Luck's working overtime, right? The ZIL 131's impressive, structurally speaking. But you gotta understand, every design has its breaking point. This particular scenario, it exceeded the vehicle's operational parameters in terms of both load capacity and environmental challenges. Now, let me tell you, there's something mighty satisfying about swinging an axe and busting up some wood. It's honest work, and you see the results right there. And this fella here? He's got a smart setup. Using a chain and bungee to keep the log together while you're splitting it? That's genius. Saves you a heck of a lot of time bending over and picking up pieces.
Have a look at this. And a whole
Maybe it's better to let the professionals do it. Get ready to be blown away. The Holtzpalter Extreme 80T Druck is an absolute beast. With 80 tons of splitting power, this thing is a game changer for anyone working with big logs. Imagine the possibilities. This horizontal splitter is going to make your work so much easier and faster, you won't believe your eyes. Hope you had a blast watching this crazy forestry action. If you're still craving more awesome machine videos, we've got you covered. Check out our other stuff, and thanks for tuning in.